Today I'll be reviewing the Kyvol Cybovac E31. The vacuum comes with a water tank and mop, the manual, the vacuum itself, an extra washable mop cloth, the charging base, magnetic strip, the remote, 2 side brushes, a cleaning brush, power adapter, a spare HEPA filter and sponge, adhesive pads for the magnetic tape to prevent your robot from going to places you do not want it to go, and of course the batteries for the remote. This robot vacuums and mops, just not at the same time. There is also an option for the vacuum to be connected to an app so you can schedule it to clean and see the mapping features. I found this vacuum very easy to put together, and the cleaning brush has a sharp edge which helps you get rid of any hair that can get stuck in the bristles. Now that the dustbin is attached, I'm going to charge it fully until the orange lights turn blue. I'm just going to run it on the auto clean function. You can select high or low power. I found the vacuum is quiet even on the high setting, and you can easily carry on a conversation. As you know, dust accumulates pretty fast underneath the bed area, but with this vacuum, your floors will be shiny and clean all the time. It eliminates the need for you to get on your knees and clean underneath your bed, especially if you have tight spaces or you suffer from back pain, which is a great helper to have. The vacuum has a few modes. You have the edge mode that cleans all the edges of your walls. You have auto mode, which cleans the entire area. And you have spot mode. This mode is used for localized messes. This vacuum is great for all floor types except thick and fluffy carpets. I would not recommend this vacuum if you have a thick carpet, as it often got stuck and did not perform very well. On the other hand, it did do well with a thinner carpet. The trash comes out with a push of a button. To use the mopping feature, simply attach the mop cloth to the tank and fill the tank with room temperature water. You don't want to add any detergents. As it mops, any debris and dirt gets pushed into the sleeve and can easily be rinsed out once it's done mopping. Be safe and remember to never charge the vacuum when the water tank is attached. The mopping feature maintains a clean home, but of course, it doesn't fully eliminate your traditional mopping. You can also use your remote to change the direction of your vacuum, just like a remote control car. The Kyvol Cybovac E31 is inexpensive, quiet, and functions as a vacuum and mop. I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a good quality robot vacuum at a fair price. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.